sharp.
Venga. Be careful. Doreen, did you wash that strawberries?
Yeah.
Show me. What are you making? Okay, just Gabriel. Be careful, okay? Now you move there.
I see.
Yeah, sa half lang, half anak. Cuidado la mano.
Why is there
Kasi.
something here, Gabriel?
It's a stick.
Okay. What are you going to make? Okay.
Be careful. Don't
Show
put
me.
it here. I'm cutting. Dream.
Be careful, okay? Ten cuidado. I help them to put there. Put it there. Very good, you two. My two helper. My two helper.
Papa did? Yes.
There's seeds.
Be careful ahead, okay? Dito, this one first. Nata. Okay, cut the nut. Yeah, ano. Dito one. Okay. Lagay mo doon.
The hat.
Yes. Taktak mo. Okay. Now. Ito ang yellow. Add sugar. Green, add mo sugar. Sugar.
Not.
Now?
Okay, now Green. More. Oh. Very good, Gabriel.
Let me splash siya.
Venga, mas.
Again. What is it?
Haluin mo, Gabriel, bale. Very good, Doreen. Venga. 3. Mix mo, mix. Jasta.
I mean, it tastes good.
Yeah.
And we put in the fridge for half an hour.
It looks like ice cream.
Okay, now.
On both sides.
Yeah.
It looks like mayonnaise.
Campamento. Campamento con mamá. Tienes suerte. Todavía estoy en mis vacaciones, pero la próxima, no, esta miércoles voy a empezar en Goroma. Más chiquitín, Gabriel. Más. Eso para merienda. Es típico merienda en Japón. ¿Acá sí, Gabriel? ¿Cómo se llama?
No sé. Sando.
Sando.
Strawberry sando.
Eso típico merienda en Japón. Más, Doreen, más. You put more, Doreen, okay?
Pwede na to, mas.
Yeah. Just that. Pero si Doreen kailangan niya kapalan ng konti, okay? And now you can put your... Okay, wait. You can put your fruit now, okay? Pag ganon, Gabriel, bale, ang fruit pag ganon, and then pag ganyan, okay? Venga. Primero, strawberries. Okay, dyan.
Strawberry.
Doreen, get your strawberry.
Asi.
Like, ganon, no? Slant.
See.
No, no, no. Ayan. Venga, Doreen. Yan. Very good. Yes. Dito, Doreen.
Garak.
This one.
Maliit.
No, alternate the fruits.
Alternate.
Never mind. You can put there's another fruit there. Now this one during orange. Orange?
This.
Yeah, like that. And you, Gabriel, also. What fruit do you like? You can put
Cherry.
whatever fruit do you like, okay? And then cherry. Doreen, put cherry.
It's a little bit broken.
You can put another one here, eh?
Aquí.
Yes. It's also for Lola. Venga. Just add here. I told you to cut the apple. You don't want. And then to put the top, you can put this one also. Wait, there's more here, Doreen.
Así.
Here. Here. No. You put this one.
Ah.
Turn around you. No, I see. Doreen, also you. No. Again. Venga, Doreen, kapalan mo. Doreen, kapalan mo.
Ya no, porque te rin din na ako.
Sí, kapalan mo, Doreen. Espera. Now you can put now. No. Here. On top.
Ah. It's on top.
Put on top. This is Japanese fruit recipe. It's called sando. Se llama sando. Okay, then we put a little bit, can put in the fridge, okay? For a little while. Okay?
This sweet.
Put this one now in the freezer. Just for like 20 seconds. Not 20 minutes. 20 minutos. Yeah.
Así, no?
Yeah. You want the crust, no? Show me.
Oh my God, qué rico. Should they eat it?
How is it?
Sarap yun.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Qué rico? Okay. The one with... this one is with... you try with orange. This one. Cut this one. This one with orange. Doreen is not here because her mommy came. Show me. Show me this one. Okay, try. Good.
Así.
Try mo, Nay. How is it? Huh?
Sarap.
Sarap? Delicioso. Rico.
I like the strawberry one more.
Wow, this one is, you see? This one is good.